These crafty chocolates can be made with almost any filling. Chocolate bombs. Hey everyone, welcome to Culinary Vlogs by Z. Today we are going to be making your favorite chocolate bombs. I'm sure you've seen a lot of this on the internet and always wanted to try it, but just didn't know how to. Well, today I'm going to be showing you in this vlog how it's done. For the chocolate bombs, you will need a dome-shaped mold like this, some dark chocolate, and some white baking chocolate. Use some cooking spray to slightly grease the mold. Then melt both the dark and white chocolate separately in a microwave for about 1 minute. Make sure the baking chocolate is of runny consistency like this. It must be smooth and not have any chocolate bits remaining in it. Now take 1 teaspoon of the melted chocolate and place into each mold, pulling them to the sides, making sure that the chocolate covers the mold shape completely. So I missed a spot on the first one, but I will be coming back to it. Try and work fast so that the chocolate doesn't get hard quickly. Working fast will also prevent the chocolate from falling back into the center at the bottom of the mold. Now that 4 of my molds have been covered with dark chocolate, I'm just going to double check to see if I've missed any spots and then place this in the freezer for 5 minutes. Remove the mold from the freezer after 5 minutes and you will notice that the dark chocolate's already hardened. Now start with the white chocolate molds. Make sure again that the white chocolate is of runny consistency. This idea of the chocolate bombs is so versatile that you can use any filling of your choice, either white hot chocolate or dark hot chocolate with marshmallows. You can even try cappuccino with the chocolate, making it chococino, and also fill in a few sweets inside as a treat for the kids. But make sure they're light sweets, otherwise the shell will break. Using the back of the spoon makes it easier to work with. Before we place this in the freezer for another 5 minutes, I'm going to do a second coat on the dark chocolate molds. So once we're done with the chocolate, we're going to place them into icing bags so that they can be used for decorating. You see, nothing is wasted. Remember, we still need to do the second coat for the white chocolate, so I've kept aside a little bit of white chocolate for that. Once these bags have been filled, leave them aside for later. This also makes it easier to heat because if it does harden, you can always place this plastic bag in the microwave for a few seconds. Now remove the mold from the freezer and coat the white chocolate again before placing it in the freezer again for another 5 minutes. So in total, we've done 2 coats each for both the white chocolate and the dark chocolate. Now we come to the trickiest part of this vlog, removing the chocolate from the molds. Don't worry about any damaged or chipped chocolates that were molded, as this can always be used to serve ice cream or make desserts. These can be repaired and stored as well. It's the perfect alternative to those chocolate balloons. Now to remove the white chocolate from the molds. Watch carefully how I remove them. To neaten the edges of all these molds, heat a small saucepan and slightly melt the edges to give you a neat finish. Fill and seal them. Do this quickly before the chocolate hardens. So I tried to make the dark chocolate ones a little oval to fit into my smaller mugs for smaller portions. Take the chocolate that was left over in plastic bags we saved earlier, snip it about 1 millimeter at the point, and decorate the chocolate bombs. Look how lovely and pretty they're starting to look. You can always decorate these with some glitter or any other decorations that you have in your cupboards. Make sure you decorate them before the chocolate at the top hardens. The chocolate bombs are now ready to be served, or you can store these in an airtight container. Take your pick with your favorite filling, boil 250 ml of milk, or depending on the size of your cup, and place the chocolate bombs in the center of the cup. Now you can see why I reduced the size of the dark chocolate bombs. pour the boiled milk into the cup and watch all the ingredients melt and the inside ingredients pop up to the top. Stir and enjoy. You can even do these now and keep them for the winter months approaching. As always, the taste test. This is my favorite part of every vlog. Absolutely delicious. If you are enjoying my vlogs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.